Back with day 2 of our Gustav Klimt Boba teas, and I'm here with Miss Neighbor's class. Would you guys like to say hello? Hello! All right, here they are. So the first thing that's going to happen is I'm going to cut my straw. So I've given my class the option of a few colors, and we're going to need indeed a long straw. So I'm going to go ahead, cut my straw, and I'm going to glue it into my drink. So I'm going to put my glue stick, and I want it to come out of the top. Do you see that?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. Now, here's some fun stuff. We looked at a lot of Gustav Klimt's artwork, and we talked about the symbolism that was included in his art. Now, I'm going to use this little paper roll to make some cool designs. So I want you guys to really notice what I'm doing. So the paper roll is going to be a lot of fun to work with. Now, I think my second graders used these to make bubbles in the beginning of the year, right? But you probably never used these to make spirals, did you?
No.
So what I just did was, yep, exactly, on the puffer fish. So what I just did was I cut a little portion of my paper roll, and then I just cut a little slit. Do you see? And now what I'm going to do is roll it into a spiral. Now, if you make something uber cool and your friend would like to use it too, it's nice to share. So I just rolled it into a spiral shape. And now I'm just going to unroll it a little bit. And look, it's made like a Cinnabon shape. I'm going to dip it into my white paint here. And what I'm going to do is make little bubbles.
That's cool.
Yep, little bubbles around. So that will be fun. Oh, it did that thing. I know you guys can't see it on the screen.
I can. I can.
So maybe I can get this to be more of a spiral type of shape. Of course, my fingers are getting really dirty right now.
But you could wash them later.
I sure can. I can wash them later. Let's be an optimist, right? So I can probably get it a little bit more spirally just by playing with it. So you see how I'm making it more spirally? So I'm adding some bubbles around. Just like this. Helen, did you have a question?
What if you cover the whole picture?
You can. So we can cover up the whole picture. So it's as if you were blowing bubbles with your boba tea, with your straw. Okay, there's a few more things we're going to do in this picture. So after you're done making a crazy amount of bubbles, what you're going to do is use your paints to create some designs inspired by Gustav Klimt. So I thought I took a little thing of paint over. I guess I didn't. No. I'm going to go grab it. I'll be 2 seconds.
1, 2.
Okay. My friends, are you ready for more?
Yes.
Okay, hang on. I'm looking at my picture and I'm noticing some areas that I wish I put some bubbles in, so I'm just adding some more. All right, so I have this entire tray here, and watch how I'm going to use this. I have a thin brush, and this is my chance to add all of the fun Gustav Klimt details that I want to add. But first, I think what I'll do is put some lines on my straw.
Can you do whatever you want?
You really can.
You got paint on the... So you can do like hearts and stars?
Yes. All right, so you're probably going to want to start by putting some little lines on your straw. Okay, and then you'll dip your paintbrush, and we could start making some of those little shapes that we explored in our painting. So we noticed that there was an awful lot of little triangles, huh? So inside of your drink, I want you guys to be painting some of the shapes you saw. Let's see. Well, we added lots of circles. All right, what are some other things you guys remember? Little eyes, okay. I like it.
Oh, and I also saw something else.
What did you see?
I saw hidden people.
You saw hidden people. I saw them too.
Make the bubble a smiley face. Oh, yeah.
So it's all about kind of adding your own sneaky symbolism in, right?
Yeah.
So I'm just adding a little eye here. Remember, friends, you're on video. What are some other things I should add in my picture?
Oh,
What do you think, Helen?
you could add some squares because I saw some squares.
Did you notice some nice squares in his pictures?
Yep. Yes.
Should I add some other colors maybe?
Yes. You could add like yellow for the gold.
I could do that.
Or gold for the gold. Wait, why can't you do the gold?
What else?
Yellow for the white.
All right, so maybe I'm gonna put some little dots in. All right, is my class just about ready to get started working on their own picture?
Yes.
All right, we're gonna say goodbye on the count of 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3.